Hello? Hello? Testing. Second. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think let's start. So I've been working a little yesterday on how do I put it? Basically I've been thinking about how do I want the second boss to look and what mechanics do I want to go with for it. And I've decided. Let's 5 seconds. Let's go here to Unity. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I spent a good chunk of yesterday thinking about working a bit on the logs of the boss of a stream. And if you looked at Twitter and seen the game, you've seen this, which is, I think, a good way to start. Like, yeah, basically, I'm thinking about centering. How do I put it? So the first boss was about. While making the first boss, I went for an enemy that, as you fight him and break parts, it becomes weaker. For this boss, what I'm looking at is treating each one of these start orbiting the center as a shield, and basically the objective is to break just enough shields to be able to reach the center and then attack from there, and then from there attack it directly instead of having to blow up every single shield in the boss has. Then do like 2, 3, 4 cycles like that. But the left part is really creepy. Yeah. I really like how it ends up looking. But yeah, that's the current objective. So, and once I have that up and running, I think I can focus on. I can start working on actual bullet patterns for it. Thus, let us begin. So, the first thing I have to do is actually make a proper pref out of every single part in this. Because, yeah, it was just messing around a bit. No names, no nothing. So, what's this? Yeah. Let's expand. All this stuff. We're gonna start. We're going to start redoing all of this. Yeah. Okay, this is fine. I can put it. So. First of all, how are we going to call names? Okay, pretending. Let's just call it +2 for the moment, and we'll do it. And we'll think harder about it, like, and later on we'll think harder about the proper name. Let's set a folder here. +2. Wait. Text no. I'll turn before changing the name yet. Okay, +2. Here. Let's move this here. Give me a second. Okay, so let's see what did I have here in order to. Okay, so these two parts right at the center are going to stay just like they are. We can just first of all move to the right. Okay, so I can see these two we can copy as is. This child, okay. And this is gonna be the center of the okay. Undo. This goes 0. Now, paste. Object and okay, here we are. We are in this. Because okay. I think you go to 0. Good. This position. This is everything at 0, right? Right. All right. So 360. Wait. What? 0, 0. And everything here it's at 0. Yeah. I feel like is it looking different from the other one? Looking. It is not. Oh, here. But still, let us say. Way was it rotated? Oh, it's. Is it missing one? No. Oh, okay. Why is it going from 0 to... Unity, why are you doing this to me? So use the... all time? No. Okay. So, from here to here... What's exactly... I think this... That's it. Difference here. Okay, all these are at 1 point... okay. Scale is alright for the rest. Yeah. 1.3. Okay, here. These are same scale, alright. No problem. So, tap. Oh, okay. Now it looks better. Okay, remove this and let's get going. So now the start is I want rotation around the main game object. The game object, yeah. let's, and then the others were rotating. Oh yeah, that's the reason. Nah, it should be the same whether it should look the same whether they have a parent game object for the whole set or not. So, oh, no, here. Let's combinación. Let's check out the rotation of this. What? No. No rotation here, so go this. Okay, now it should work now. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking the same. So this is done. Yeah, maybe I want to add an empty for the whole center, just so that it doesn't. Just so it doesn't take as much space as it does right now, you know. Change this to here. Okay, here's the center. We can close this too. Now, what I want to do is take this, basically every single one of these units, and make a prefab out of it, to be able to instant them when the shells respawn. Yeah. So 1 second, please. First of all, I could probably remove this one top. Yeah. So, okay. This text. And we are like that. Yeah. This, and we are going to make this 20. It was a 30. So we have 15 extra degrees. I repeated this, I'm not sure. So 45, 15, and then we can do this and do this. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh yeah, I remember now the problem. I think I remember it. I remember now why I had it like this. So remove that 45 and that 0. Yeah. What? I accidentally. Okay, give me a second. I need to find what control plus X does. See, oh no, it cuts. Of course, it cuts. That's why it's. So just control C. Okay, it's up. Yeah, no longer create it down. So I remember now why I put this. Why they have this game object is right here. Basically. Well, it's a bit hard to say with how many overlapping polygons there are and the filter, but No, it wasn't this. Then why? Why do I have? No, yeah, it was exactly that. The main problem is that this one model isn't aligned in the same axis as the other I want, so instead of having to rotate around, if I rotate around Y in order to basically rotating around Y, no, why? What's the problem? Why did I do it like this? Okay, this is working like this. This is working like this. No, it's up there. It's if I get it out of here. Okay, I don't get this. I do not get it. Like, did I game lock something or what? Yeah. Unity, what are you doing? Like, I'm rotating at global. Maybe it's that. Is that maybe the problem? Like, yeah, I do not get why this is happening at all. So, you know. Well, long story short, it was that this model came with the Y and X axis misaligned, and in order to rotate around the Y axis, I had to rotate around the Z axis. But now, what is happening is that whenever I rotating around the Y axis and around the Z axis, both rotate around the Z. I don't get it at all. Yep. And if I rotate around X, yeah, it does what it's supposed to do. Like this makes me think of gimbal lock or maybe a problem like that, but why is it doing this? Seriously, why? Okay. 20, 90, this is rotating the right direction. Okay. Did I gimbal lock it? I probably gimbal lock it, didn't I? Yeah, this feels like gimbal lock, yeah. Like if I wanted to move it like this, X. Yeah, the problem was gimbal lock. Well, then we don't need to put these ones in the middle. But like, let me test. If I set it to 0 and 0, let's make this invisible for a second so I can see properly. Okay. Let's give me a second to drink some water. Okay, let's go back. So, yeah, this works. This works. Not 60, 90. 90. Fingers, damn it. Well, they aren't fat at all, but Consent. Yeah, consent is orthographic back, please. Well, yeah, we are in Gimbal City. We don't need to worry about those extras. So, get here, and out you go. And here we do thing. Let's second. Okay, you two are going back here. Okay. Yeah, no, I think I'm going to keep it just in case, because as I programmed the everything with Origibody, I made it orbit only around the y-axis, and yeah, if it might not be a good idea to depend on gimbal lock for your program to work, like, you know. So we're here. This is like this, so start 1, start 2, okay. And we're going to call this one start shield. Okay. What would be a good name for this? So we're gonna have to make a prefab out of this. Okay, working properly, yeah. So now we go back to the bus 2 and let's close all this one. So sorry, easy. Does it work? Yes, it does. Good. So we're going to the bus, and we've got the center, star shield, it's one. So yeah, let's just go with 1 to 12 because yeah, no reason to even bother. Like star shield 1. Let's look at this, yeah. So, yeah, just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Rename time. 3, 4, 5, 6. And Alright. 9. Actually. Let's start with 0 because maybe not 1 to 0. 0 to 1, no, like you know what? Let Unity do the job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Won't do only 120. Okay, we go to 0, we go to 0. Right. In position for everyone. And let's start doing the best, copying the stuff from here. So start 1, start 2. Yeah. -5. Okay. First one is -5 for both of these. So, second one is -5 for both. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it was just -5 for everyone and just start changing angles. Let's do. Yeah. So 1 and okay, 1, 5, 6, 7. You got the 60. 2 and 8, 120. Actually, yeah, no, it's okay. 3 and 9, 180. 4 and 10, 240. And finally 5 and 11 for this, okay? And if we do this and do like, oh, no, do like something like that. Yeah, like this. Yeah, it looks well. So now we're going to take everything from here to here. The center is the boss, yeah. And yeah, this group is going to have 19. What's today with 90s and 60s? Okay. So the stone, we've duplicated this. We basically made what we had before, but this time with the prefabs and named properly. Like if I, well, this one kind of thing. 0.75, 0.75, 0.75. In order to give a bit more of a space to the player. Huh? Wasn't concerned. Did I mess up something? Like, okay, this one was 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, 0.75. Yeah, why does it look like it's smaller? Maybe. Yeah, I think I might have it. Yeah, it just, yeah. So everything. Star shell here, 1, 1, 1, and let's keep the 75 to this. Basically, when I pulled the star shell prefab out of the original, it kept the scale transformation. It basically put the scale transformation from the center to the actual prefab in order to keep the model as it was. You know, the smart stuff on that. Oh, okay. Next thing to do. So we got this. We can kill this. Yeah. 1 second, please. Okay. Yes. So next thing we have to do is get a proper name before making the prefab, because otherwise it's going to be a pain to fix it. So what are we gonna call it? Spiky maybe? Spiky is fine. specs. Yeah, it's packing just like this. But let's keep it simple. Yeah. So here we go. Next part to do. Collider. Capsule collider, capsule or sphere. Like it doesn't really matter because we are playing. Let's keep it. Let's make it a capsule collider. Yeah. So open the tab. What? Okay, no. And you're going to. Oh yeah, it's up by 5. So actually, this 5 is here, yeah. 5. Here we go. Let's go look like this. And let's do this. Not this side. Radius of. What's the radius on this? 5 to match. 2. 1. 2. Yeah, this should be enough. And then we look at the height. Yeah, this is just a sphere collider at this point. Both components. I don't know why. Here, collide. Night roller. -5. Control. Okay. Yeah, everything looks alright with it. And everyone here has it around. Then another collider for the main body. Let's closer. Okay, radius of 2, 3, 2.7, 55. Right? Yeah. Not enough. Which reminds me a little thing I did. Did I put this in the correct layer again? So let's get this pistachio enemy. Let's change children. Enemies. Yes, change children. Right layer, yeah. So what's the next? Yeah. So I guess next part is creating a health handler that can manage individual health for each one of the spikes, I guess. So let's go back to the script. Not here. No. Here we go. Health handler. And let's look at the first boss in order to remember how. Oh, okay, important part. Where it goes. And this I'm going to need it. Here we go. Okay, let's go to first boss. Actually, yeah. Here it is. Filter, metadata, local time manager. Copy. Instruction, create and destruction. All the gliders. Yeah. So let's go here. This component is new. Okay. Let's see how this goes for a second. Yeah. Let's try. So what's it? Yeah. Copy component. No. This component. It was probably feeling the effects of gravity that I had to guess. Okay, here. So next thing, I want to try this. It is moving. Is it moving? It's moving very slowly. Oh. Maximize. Well, big mass and big size, it tends to happen. But I need the mass because otherwise there's Okay. Yeah. It's just a matter of having to increase the movement numbers if I need to do so. Okay. Well, movement works well. Remove this here, yeah. What? Copy component. Paste component. Move up. Actually, the sphere collider isn't. No. Yeah. Good thing I noticed right now. Not later. So any more difference between the prefab and this? Local time manager is at the bottom, local time manager. Well, let's blow this up. Here we go again. Yeah, it's working properly. Oh, I've forgotten this whole time to switch up to Unity. Well, yeah, I was just making sure the rigid body was set up right. Well, one day I'll stop making that mistake. So we're looking here. How did I have them there? Okay, give me a second to check the documentation on collision. On collision enter. Okay, and collision enter gives you a collision. The collision gives you contact points. The contact count. Collider. Yeah, collider we hit. But I don't want the collider we hit, I want the... I want the collider or collider that hit. Like... Basically, right now, I... Go back to Unity. If you have colliders on the children, when you have a collision, it happens here in the... You have colliders in the children, but also a rigid body in the parent. Well, when you have a collision with one of the colliders in the children, the collision is going to alert the rigid body of the parent. And right now I'm trying to remember, find a way about how to get what children had the collision. If you get what I mean. Go back here. Yeah. Okay, who's the game object? Whose collider? Body we hit, the transform, the contacts. And the contact point has the collider, this collider. So get contacts. Visual Studio, what was it? That I did that. Take damage instance. Okay. How did I do damage instance? It was deal damage script. You gotta practice damage. No, collision, deal damage on collision, yeah. So, collision enter, other, like damage mount, source, game mount, other dot collider dot game object. Okay. Yeah, I saw this before. I've got it very, very easy. So. How do I put it this? Yeah, it's going to be easy. Like I set this up in a way that makes this a lot easier. Yeah, very, very easy to fix. So here we go. Other collider game object, other game object, health handler, yeah. Like, okay. So we need to do a take them. Okay, so we need a health handler, spec health handler, yeah. That's simple. So script option, stage 1, scripts, stage 1. Let's put in other spiky, okay, spiky, create. Okay, there we go. And it's starting another Visual Studio instance. Why? Close this. Open. And here. So what I have to do is just this inherits from health handler, yeah. Good. We are invisible cells. We need to implement take damage. Okay, go. Let's add a set invincible. Yeah. Remove this. And now we just blow this up. We don't really. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. We don't need this. The container, damage target, get component, the container. It's not invincible. Oh yeah, this was because there are parts of the main boss that you can't damage directly. Basically the main body. So we don't have to worry about it. Can I load this up? Yeah, yeah. So basically, okay. Zero. This is the part we can remove with a problem. Change the switch. Now, if not invincible, and don't worry about this. Going to need it in here at the moment, as far as something. Not invincible. Then we start checking. Let's add this variable. Like I think the where's the health of the star? Health of the star. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this might be. So we are here. We are this. Okay. I want if we are invincible. Let's check if damage. Target? As a target, the one we are looking at. Will compose. Yeah, damage. The target. This is the game object. This is a game object. Equals game object. So check it. Check if they've hit your main body. Yeah, it's alright. Target equals game object. Well, we'll handle this later. Else, damage the target dot get component basic health on the I think basic health handler is the one I use. What was the name? Health basic handler, okay. Health basic handler, and here we go. And then take damage. And here we go. Basically, if we get hit on the body, we handle ourselves, but if it hits any of the shields, the star shields, it's just going to take damage. Like, we don't even need a special health handler for them. Just take damage, and when they die, they die. I'm going to take a quick break. Back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Let's get back to here. No unity. This is way. Wait a second. Okay, I need to send in another animal. second. Okay, we've got the help. So next part. Go to this shield and that here I basic health basic. Health basic 100. Okay, so how much HP are we gonna give it? Check out the dice. Each side had like actually no, I had the HP dice. Each side had like this. So we go to spiky. Sorry, give me a second. Okay. So this will be as much as this, and we have like 12 of this. A fourth? No, not even a fourth. Like this was 10 minutes with about 5 minutes with 4 of this, so like 4 of a tenth? Let's do it like this. And so. Ooh, wrong button. Let's begin. Let's get this going. Okay. First of all, library 64. Add the spike in here. Remove this from. Well, keep it for now. Remove it later. So Visual Studio, let's start setting up the level, just to be able to test health values on the height. See if the whole part damage works properly. Really important thing. Yeah, the health handler is on the collider. So okay, so after this we're going to do is spiky, and then we go to the bottom and we get here, we go here, and his name is Spiky. You get the boss music. Okay. Spiky here. We are going to get this. What are we going to get? Yeah, clean this up. Stage triggers. Let's see here. This. Need this. We don't need this. You're going to 0. Nah, I mean, aside. Better. Keep it a bit further away from the enemies. So I'm simply well, just like let's copy the instant here. Okay. Game object Psyche equals, yeah, like, let's just delete this. Psyche. And here we are, and we'll span it at, wait, one more. 0, 0, quaternion dot, empty, don't even bother. And now back to Unity. Deactivate, set up the bus. Let's, I can delete this, I can delete this. Actually, don't delete the cube, the missing cube. Like, this is a cube I have in the, I have around in order to measure the stuff. Which I don't know why it doesn't have the stuff. Okay. So, levels. And we get to the, where's the boss button? Okay, here it is. Boss button? Yeah. Activate. And really important to not forget to deactivate it the next week before I upload the next batch of levels, because otherwise I'm going to have people saying how to done levels. And that's bad. Yeah. I'm totally going to forget it. Am I not? I'm 100% forgetting it. So, what's in a plate? Oh, I didn't restart the startup manager. Yeah, yesterday. So here, and thus. It just stands in here. So, okay, let's see if any of them dies. But yeah, this is, I need to lower the HP, this is taking too long. Way too long. Are they even taking damage? Maximize. Give me one of these. Okay. Where's the health handler? There's the health handler. Wrong screen. Okay. The. Of course they are not taking damage. Oh, one button. Here. Spiky health handler. There we go. Dumb mistakes. Yeah. At least this is the easy stuff. The stuff you don't have to worry about. Okay, now. Taking damage. Okay, I'm going to follow you around, see if I can kill you. Let's fire. Yeah, let's check. HP. Yeah, they're taking damage. But they have too much SP, is the problem. Where's the one? The other one. Here, we focus here. Oh yeah, no, like the problem is that I didn't tell them to. Oh no, it's the basic handler. It should tell them. So yeah, they should destroy themselves when the HP hits 0. So there's one thing I want to try. Restart. Check here. From here, 1 to 6. 0.8, 0.8, 0.8. Whoa! This is what happens when you don't pause when changing that kind of value. Really cool, but okay, what are the values of this? 5 minus 5, okay. Yeah. It does look great. Maybe I should add this as one of the tags, like a bunch of enemies going, a bunch of bullets going from outside from the inside to the outside and backwards. Also, sorry about the beeping on the background, but it's going to keep happening for a bit. The phone sometimes does that, and there's no way to stop it, as far as I know. Okay, so I'm going to try what I want to do, which is all this, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8. 0.6, 0.6, 0.6. Let's check this out. Let's get in here. No. Pause. Get out of the prefab. Point eight. Sorry. Maximize on play. Yeah, it doesn't look that good. 0.75. 75, 75. Points 7.7.7. I'm just trying a bit of this is bad. I'm gonna have a hard time making this. Yeah. This is just the best way, yeah. Well, we've got that done. Not working. I still got to adjust the HP. I buy a lot, like this. Remove at 0.4, yeah, 20%. And maybe even 300, yeah. And it's probably gonna go a little even lower. So what am I looking for now? I want to add some kind the feedback to the hits, like. So let's check out how I did it here. So we have the cycle here. Restrictions, Factory, copy component. Paste component here. Here too. This is always good. What? Okay, what? Why do I have it on the enemy? That container is from the other way. Like, this isn't going to activate ever. Like, did I mess up? That should, and this should be on bullet. Oh. This should be the bullet tag, not the. text. What? Okay, basic bullet. No, this is good. Step up. Bullet base. Bullet right player. I'm confused. So I'm not using this anymore, like three eyes, collision. I'm not using this here. I'm not using this. I guess I have to take a look at this because I thought that, yeah, I thought I had this properly set up, but I don't. So no. Yes, I'm confused. Basically, I added some slowdown whenever you get hit on enemies and bullets, but I'm going to guess that I removed this from most of the things in the game because it gave problems, but I'm not sure what. Right? No, I have to check back if that was the case or I just messed things up. I just messed things up and I need to re-implement it, like into the enemies. Check if it works. Well, that's gonna be a thing for later. So Spiky and Thunder, Starshell, what did I want to do? No. Yeah, so I was here. Okay. Destruction, create on destruction, hover animation, destruction screen shade. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, what's the script I'm looking for? The flash one. Like what? Basically, I'm looking for the script I had where that makes the enemies flash when hit. But I'm blind or something. I can find it. Let us see. Local time manager. Like if I go to habeis, the tab, come down, okay. Main flash. Yeah, here trigger effect flash, and that's on the. What did I incorporate in? Reference. That is damage animation. Is that what I'm looking for? A, C, D, the dice. Let me check. Okay, so we have here 500. I'm going to guess that I have 100. Yeah, it was all implemented in the headstand. Okay. So Okay, yeah, like it just. Okay. Yeah, I can just start it like this. I don't have to worry about giving problems. I mean, to anything special. Just go to the shell. Flash, observer flash. Trigger effect flash. So. What I need to remember is how did I do the whole observer event? Modify observer. Observer. What is observers? Here. Have handler implemented the observable interface yet? Subscriptor. Who did I? A good chunk of development time is just looking at what you did before and trying to remember how everything worked. Yeah, pretty much. My current what I'm worried about is how did I add the trigger effect? Like, actually, is there? No. Trigger effect flash. Animation. Okay, give me another minute. I'm going to go to the bedroom. And okay, we're back. So yeah. So as I was saying before, my current problem is remembering how do I the observer. Basically, the way I have this trigger effect flash is that handle things is that I have an observer pattern working, and I'm trying to remember how I set things up. Flash and damage, but I'm not, and I don't remember how it's. Basically, we've got 3 scripts. We've got the health script that receives the damage. We've got the trigger effect flash script that manages the flash, makes things flash when they get hit. Well, that makes things flash when told to. And there's a third script called observer flash on damage that it's attached to these scripts, acts as an intermediary, and basically when the health tells him that it has received damage, it activates the flash on the effect. But right now how do I put it? I do not remember how did I set the observer part on the exactly where. And I'm trying to remember if I set it up somewhere automatically, or if I had to do it manually, or what. Actually, health mana. Yeah, okay, we didn't use an observer for this, we just yeah, the way we handled it was just call it directly from for the boss, just call it directly from the boss health handler, from the dice health handler, because we had a single script for possible flashing parts. Yeah, that's it. But here we can just go to Unity and get to the spiky, no star shield, the effect flash, flash, yeah, observer flash on damage, and observer flash of damage just should pick it up automatically. Get component, get a health handler, subscribe this, yes, get component, trigger effect flash. Yep, and now we go to notify observer. So we go to spiky, and if health is less, okay, we are this is an interesting way. Let's see if this works. Okay. Target.get components, observer interface. Does this work? Yeah, it can get interfaces, no problem. So for each, actually, list in shield, okay. In shield, no, in shield. This is this. Working well. Okay, how I'm let me check. List C#. Where am I messing this up? Okay, list part. Oh yeah. No, it shouldn't be part. Okay, let's try it like this. No, like this is. Oh no, it's an array. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah. Yeah, just like this, and then for each server interface interfaces here. Sorry, rather than share path, just in case we add something else other than the shields later on the line, like breakable guns or something like this, like something in the line. So, play observer, done. So spiking. So now that we are here, what do we? Notify observer interface. Okay. So it's up to Unity. Check out that we added the health handlers here. Okay, health handler, observer flashing damage. Okay, so it should work right now. I think. Of course, it never is, but yeah, this is working well. This is working. Voila! This isn't. It doesn't look half bad at all. Yeah. Okay, and I need to fix this because 1, 1, 1. Okay. Try again. Yeah. I need to add more health to the shield. Add more health. Yeah, I went down to max. 600. Okay, let's check guys. Let's say we focus on this one shield. We want this heal fast. And then we can start hitting. Yeah, like the outside, the fact that we have two rotating shields. This looks like a nice amount of HP. Yeah, since we have two circles, we're gonna have to clear the entirety of or almost the entirety of one of them in order to get to the second. So yeah. But yeah, to that we cannot. How do I put it? We can't really raise the HP of the shields too much because yeah, you have to clear at least one of the circles completely, and the second one you keep. And the second one is you might be able to get away with not killing every single one of them, but yeah, but yeah, it's not a problem. It's a problem, and it isn't. Yeah. So what's the next part to do? Listen to got feedback on we need to add this to the spiking. No, flash and trigger effect flash. Yeah. Hey, maybe 5. Let's see how it. how it looks like this. Yeah, I think this looks a bit better. And if we hit inside, well, it isn't happening because it's not. I haven't set the help handler to do so. But let's watch. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here we go. Let's get here. Now, okay. Yeah, some of the bullets are hidden. The question is, how does it look when you keep hitting it? Like when you hit it continuously. Okay. It looks alright. Like, yeah. And one quick thing we have to change. Let's see how this looks with a stage like this, maybe? Inside. Oops, I changed the wrong stage. Diamond stage, nah, you don't have enough space to move. What if we do an hexagon stage? So let's get out of here. Walls. Okay. So create, let's, no, this second. Okay, duplicate. We're going to go, actually, create empty parents. Hexagon walls, okay. Total hexagon walls. Yeah, no, they are going to be more. They're going to give more space than just the diamond, but let's just make it. Let's just do it and we'll see how it goes. 0, 0, no, keep that 90. So 0 and 15. Wrong 15. This 15. Okay. Okay. Well. Duplicate. So well. Let's get to minus 15. Okay. Then we duplicate here. Northeast wall. We are going to make 15 and we are going to rotate it 60. Control 5. No, 15. Sorry. Make it 11. Yeah, like this, not 60 but 120. No, 30. Is it 50? Yeah, no, I want 15 for sure. But what the name? What is it? I'm looking. Oh, yeah, Exxon. Yeah, 60, but move it to here. Okay. Duplicate. Minus 60. Minus 15. Now the question is, where's the cube? Where's the missing cube? Yeah, the cube. You are on the 25. I think this is barely visible. Yeah, no, like, yeah, let's do it like this. It's going to end up like the square stage, but with a bit more of. No, not really, because you can't move. Yeah, like it isn't going to matter. It's going to be just the same as the square stage, but with a different look, maybe. Okay, you are the southeastern wall. No number. If I need you to. Okay. Yeah, and it looks a lot more balanced. Okay, there's something I want to check. 20? 40? Okay, let's see. Home. This is editing. This is in the square. 60. 80, 70, 70. Okay, so we have 17. This is 35. This doesn't make any sense because actually, yeah, no, 35. So yeah, no, it doesn't make any. Yeah? Why is this? This isn't scaled anywhere, so. Okay, if I hit 35 on this, yeah, no, this is not more. So, 35 and 35. Yeah, okay, these are two out of 35, so we move it like this. Yeah, 17. 17? Yeah. So, do everything. Okay. And the one at 17, I think. Let's rename it. I don't think this is going to work, but let's just do it, put it all on the place just to know what's happening. Like, okay, yeah. Minus 60. Yeah, this is too much. 70. It's not 17. It's definitely not 17. 12. 12. No. 10. 10. Yeah, this looks a lot better. Look closer to what I want. But now the question is, if I do this, yeah, the stage is in there and it's smaller than before. Same problem as actually. Is it really? Like, it's true that it's smaller on the side, but it has a lot more space visual on this part. Like, yeah, like you've got all of this. It's a lot taller. Less wide but taller. So let's see if this works. Okay, so stages like this. Okay. Yeah. Hey, but what if they no, orbit no. Orbit. It around yourself at 45. Oh, I think we got a mechanic right here. So what if we do this? Okay. Copy component, remove component. So you and the two southern walls are going to paste as new, and we are going to leave it at 10. You are going to paste component as new. We are going to make it -10. Even 10 might be too high. Like, also, I might have to but yeah, this is a really interesting mechanic to do. Like, I haven't messed at all with dynamic stages, and that's something I should have considered doing. I should consider doing. Yeah, lots of possibilities. So the question here is, can you clip? Yeah, like, let's exit, play, tutorial. Okay, this is chill. So let's see if we can clip through the stage by doing this, because that'd be a problem. Like, that'd be a serious problem. Yeah, okay, looking at this, it looks perfectly. Let's pause for a second. The stage. Walls. You. Go away. Okay. Let's see what happens if we. Yep. Yeah, that's a problem with that just all reliable. None. Problem solved. Well, that's what I'd like to say, but if I keep the renderer around, it isn't going to. It's not gonna. I think it's going to mess. Okay, undo. First, let's get out of the hell out of dodge. Spiky here. 0, 0, 0. Yeah, the wall in the Hey, the wall in the middle doesn't look that... Do I keep the wall in the middle? I don't... Yeah, no, it looks a lot better like this. So just invisible wall in the middle and let it go. Oh, we clipped. If we aren't moving, it clips. Yeah, that's the problem of like you stay put. That's the problem with the Let's see if I can get myself in here. Basically, the problem with the whole rotation... Where do I put it? Okay, let's just see it here. Is it clip? It is clipping? It is not. Yeah, now it is clipping. And now I move and it stops clipping. Yeah! I just got out of the stage. Isn't this wonderful? I'm gonna have to find a way to fix this if I want to get this working. Yeah. So for those who don't know, there's a problem here. That is that... How do I put it? This movement orbit no rigid body. It's a script that moves directly the transform instead of working with the force system of Unity. And the problem when you do that is that it might not recognize collisions. Basically, if I move a transform, the physics engine of a Unity isn't going to realize that isn't going to calculate any collision that happens. You have to move either rigid bodies or rigid bodies. But basically, when I'm moving the ship around, I'm moving the rigid bodies doing the calculation. It's saying there's a collision. Let's calculate what happens. But so basically the collision happens, no problem. But if the rigid body isn't moving around, if it's just spot, isn't moving, well, it isn't going to calculate the collision with something like this because well, it isn't moving. It shouldn't have any collisions, right? Like the collision should come from another body with a rigid body that is moving itself, and it's the one that should trigger the whole shebang. But since the body that is moving, since the other body that is moving doesn't have a rigid body and isn't even moving through the physics system but through direct movement, well, you can see here what's happening. Yeah. And actually, something if you go here, if we get like this, let's say we stay here. No, okay, it's a moment. Yeah. Well, here isn't happening, but I'm not sure why, but yeah, I have to find a way to stop moving this. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break, be back in a second. And okay, back. So yeah, I'm going to leave the walls. Let's do that another way. Like, it's a nice idea. Like, having a different arena for this boss would be probably something nice to have, but yeah. So what are we thinking? Yeah, get here. Collision del damage on collision. Yeah. Copy. Paste. Actually, I don't even need to add it to the star shield. We've combined. The collision is going to happen. Is going to go up the tree to the main body. So just be like, see, bam. Up here. In any case, hexagon walls. What are the hexagon walls? Okay, go back here. Yeah. Let's go to the wall manager. Back to Visual Studio. I'm going to add them just static. Just like I had the grid. Maybe I'll lose it some later. Maybe not. It's okay. Go back to Unity for a second and add it to this before I forget, and yeah. Renders and it's all here. Okay, here. Sound. Capitalize because I'm capitalizing all these stuff. Okay, so just copy the sound wall renderers or icon walls to confirm that yeah. While scaling object hexagon walls. And repeat this. Renderer in hexagon wall renderers. Okay. Here we are. That. Hexagon wall. Okay. Set active. No, this is the grid. Yeah. Remove this. This is done. Adding here a switch. Did I call it like? Oh, don't copy. Here. I call it like that. Yeah, that's the name. Let's go here. So back to Unity. Okay. How does this look? Oh, I didn't remove the stop. Let's do this here. Yeah. So this is the limit of the height you can reach. Okay. But yeah, this looks fairly alright. Maybe get here. Maybe not 10, but 10.5. Let's go here. 25. Oh, it's just. Nah, it's 10. It's just 10. It's just that since the hitbox has volume, well, it can go the full length now. Yeah, that's why it's a perfect hexagon as it is. Like just lose that tiny bit of movement and be done with it. Though maybe I could have nah, it's the I'm reusing. No, I'm not reusing that one, so maybe I could go not well. Okay, don't maximize on play. Let's get here. Go to the bottom. And let's go 15. 14.5. Okay. And just look it up. This is no, yeah. No, yeah. Okay, I want maximize and play. Yep, just like this. Oh, this is kind of a problem now that I think about it. The hitbox. If I try to do this, yeah, I need to do the hit. I can. I need a slightly tighter hitboxes for this. I can't just wing it like I did with the sphere. And the fab. Give me a few seconds, I need to think of it. Yeah. Okay, how can we do this in a way that like I just go to the but then we hit the spike and it's like, oh wow, we hit the spikes, but it's doing nothing. Okay. I really don't want to add a collider for each one of the spikes. That's going to be such a mess. I don't want to do it. They have to. Yeah, I don't think I have another way out of this. Like, Maybe I could just live with it being inaccurate, but then people are going to complain about. Okay, collider. Maybe if I do like. Maybe I can compromise just 0.2. No, not 22. Like if you get hit by the outside of the spikes. Okay. Let's move here. Move to the boss. Okay. Okay. If I get. Let's. I think. Okay. Yeah, this seems like it works probably. Like. Yeah, that's a lot better. If you don't get hit by the spikes, but yeah, like there's no reason. The only way this is a bit worse for the player is that it's smaller, so it's a bit harder to shoot it, but like who cares? These are meant to be shields, like it doesn't matter at all. Just if they miss and hit the center, even better for the player. Yeah, I'm not going to get anyone complaining about that. But let's check here. It's accurate. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to make the collider a bit smaller. 2.6. No, too little. 4.3. Like this? Yeah. The way, yeah, this is good enough. Yeah. After this. So we've got this, we've got the tent. And I think I'm going to be closing the stream for today. Yeah. I think I have to give some thought to what I want to do next. To give myself some time to think about what comes next. So see you everyone in the next stream.